Meaning of expectant.
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 Expectant. The word expectant refers to a feeling of anticipation or hopefulness with regards to a future event or outcome. This can manifest in various contexts, such as pregnancy, an expectant mother, sports, an expectant crowd, or business, an expectant market. The term typically connotes a positive outlook and a sense of excitement or optimism. Overall, expectant describes a state of eager anticipation for something that is yet to come, and suggests an attitude of readiness and openness to the future.